Hi everybody, this is Nina.
And Steve.
He's trying to drive. Today we are going to go up by the lakes, Lake Erie, and it's about a little over an hour and a half.
It's almost 2 hours.
Oh, almost 2 hour drive.
We're going on past Cleveland.
Oh, okay. So you guys can go with us. See you in a little bit. There's only one other couple here. Morton Salt over there. I've never seen one of these at a nature preserve, but it's to prevent seeds and stuff being transferred, and they've got the little boot cleaner there. Steve and I were just saying this is like being almost like in South Carolina instead of Ohio. We've never been up to this part before. And I'm sure right over top of the little hill there is going to be the lake. But yeah, nice boardwalk. Look at that branch. It has really died out from the sun. Wanted to show that sign. These dunes are fragile. Many of the specialized grasses and other plants that hold these dunes together are quite rare. Huh. Lots of people all up and down. Very nice. Nice place to sit.
I took a video all the way down through there.
And that shows where we are. I've been to Lake Michigan too, and it's a beautiful lake. It's exactly like being at the ocean, the great big waves. I'd like to hit all of them. Well, we were going to walk down along the beach, and I couldn't do it. It was, I was sinking way down in the sand. Got it in my moccasins. And Steve said, "You're going to be able to do that?" And I was like, "Nope." What was it? just a minute or two.
Yeah.
And my back is killing me now. So we are walking on just a little sand path. We're going to the lighthouse. And I'll show you the path here. It's sand, but it doesn't sink in.
Well, it's more gravelly too.
Yeah. Nice little walk. Up there on the left, right by the tree line. It's a nice drive up here, wasn't it, hon? Traffic didn't get very bad until we got right into Cleveland area. I've never seen these type of grasses. Look at that. It's like segmented or whatever in different colors. Yeah, it's all over here. Pretty cool, isn't it, hon?
I forget what they called it. I'd have to look it up again.
Yeah, I don't know if it flowers or anything. I don't know.
They said these flowers and stuff and this grass like this goes all the way out to the Atlantic Ocean. You can find it clear out there.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm glad that you suggested this, honey.
Yeah, I was just looking on the computer this morning trying to figure out something to do and seen this. So.
Yeah. You guys, he finds the best places. Very nice. All right, I'll turn you back on when we get up here. The Great Lakes piping plover. It's a cute little bird. It was so windy here that I had to take off the sound. But Steve was looking at where people had carved their names in the rock. Some on the tree there. Woo! That breeze. Tell you what, it was really hot when we left our house today. And it is chilly with that wind blowing. Woo. This area is permanently closed because those little birds are federal and state endangered. And look, it looks like they have their eggs right on the sand.
Eggs are the size of a jelly bean.
Oh, you wouldn't see them if you wanted to. That's cute. Well, I had to take my moccasins off. The sand was getting on my feet and rubbing them raw. So I just walked without them on. Such a gorgeous day today. I hope you guys can hear me. I know it's very windy. Woo, my hat's gonna blow away. I'll turn around this way. Oh. So I just got a call from my mom and she was asking what we were up to. I told her and she started laughing. She said, I never can tell about you and Steve. You end up all over the place. It's true. We like to run around and see things that we haven't seen. Life is short, you guys. You got to enjoy it. And I hope that you guys are enjoying these videos that we're putting out for you. I always tell my friends if they're going to the beach to put their toes in the sand for me. So here I can do it myself up here. I'm so glad Steve suggested this. It's so nice to be on a beach again. I decided to put my shoes back on because I am diabetic, and I thought, oh, I better not be walking on that sand without any shoes on. There could be little slivers of glass or something. I can see Steve in the blue. He's got the good video camera. I just couldn't make it the rest of the way. My back and stuff was killing me, and so I sat down here and enjoyed the breeze. You can't get up to the lighthouse because they have the fence around, as you can see. But yeah, we had never seen this lighthouse before. I'd like to be able to see all of them up through here. Well, I had a whole bunch of footage that Steve had taken of the lighthouse. It was beautiful footage. I was going to put it all on together for this video, and because I had him use the good camera, I forgot how to do that, and I ended up deleting it. So all of that footage that he got close up of the lighthouse is gone. So I apologize. It would have been a whole lot better, but I forgot how to do it with that special recorder. So, oh well. Hope you guys enjoyed what we did get for you. God bless you all. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.